Guys, welcome back to the channel. I am at the studio right now और आज हमारे साथ another Royal Enfield Himalayan. By the way, we did another bike like this in March. तो ना ये क्या color matching चल रहा है, ये भी red black, ये भी red black. So when we detail our bikes, our staff wears clothes according to the color of the bike. So he is wearing red and black. We're basically doing a ceramic coat on the entire bike, and as you can see, you've got this effect which is called the orange peel effect on the paint when it comes from the factory itself. So we have to pretty much clear this entire thing out before we can put ceramic. So we have at least 2 or 3 layers of compounding before we can actually get that smoothness in the paint and that finish. We've just done one right now, and as you can see, the bike's completely faded and it's not got that shine anymore in the engine or anywhere else on the bike. So we're going to pretty much polish off everything on the bike. As you can see, the bike is very dirty. So we're going to be cleaning the entire bike, polishing the entire bike and getting that shine back to the bike. And I kind of love the red and black combination on the Enfield. Royal Enfield is doing some great work with their paints, by the way. And as you can see, there's literally dirt everywhere, even the spokes are faded. So this is not a brand new bike, this is a little old, but it's going to be a lot of fun getting this bike back to life and doing a ceramic on it. So stay tuned and I'm going to keep updating you as we go along with the ceramic coating. Rana, क्या हुआ? Yes, Rana, please. हाँ, चलाइए, आप चलाइए. Basically, right now what we're doing is the visor restoration process for the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So basically, the visor was really scratched, so we pretty much detached it from the bike and we've taken it out separately. So we're polishing the visor right now to remove all the scratches and get that factory finish back to it. You have to detach it to be able to polish it properly. That's what's happening right now. So basically what this process does is it takes out all the swirl marks, all the scratches from the visor and makes it as clear as it was when it came in from the showroom. Right now what we're doing is the final ceramic coat. This is the second layer of coat that we're putting on. As you can see, we have to literally bond the coat with the paint, and you can see that it's a really thick layer that we do a triple layer coating, and it's very thick, so it kind of forms a big layer on top of your paint so that you get the adequate paint protection. Because if you don't get the adequate paint protection, there is literally no point. That's why we create a really thick layer over the paint so that your paint is protected. If you create a very thin layer, it's really not going to last on the paint. So you put it everywhere. Your entire bike is coated. Every single thing on this bike is coated. The bumpers, the headlight, everything gets coated and gets a very thick layer of coat on top of it. As you can see, we've done the visor restoration as well. So pretty much the visor is scratchless. We took out the visor, polished it. So you can see the finish, there's literally no scratches on it. Hi guys, welcome back. We're finally done with the Royal Enfield Himalayan and we have the owner Nikhilesh with us. हमारे साथ आए हैं and bike की face साहब ये तो owner ही बताएंगे कि finish कैसे लगी आपको?
बहुत ही बढ़िया finish है और मोस्टली तो मैं बहुत पहले आना था लेकिन वो कुछ इश्यूज की वजह से बहुत लेट हो गया।
टैंक का इशू, रॉयल एनफील्ड कितने इशू दोगे भाई कस्टमर को?
फाइनली कंपनी ने रिप्लेस करके दिया है। ओके, मैंने देखो ही यहाँ पे बाइक डिटेल करवा के लिए अंदर से और वो फाइनली आई गॉट माई बाइक एंड look like I'm taking the delivery of my bike.
It's looking shiny, completely shiny.
Shiny, and somehow the bike got damaged. And somehow there was some rubber
marks,
and also the
exhaust is shining now. And you can see the reflection, like the mirror finish on the entire tank now, and all the plastics are completely restored. So we're going to see you soon again.
Yeah, definitely.
And do you recommend Tanker Automotive?
Yeah, definitely.
So we'll see you again and have fun riding a bike.
Yeah.
बिहाइंड द सीन्स हम लिटरली स्कूटर के पीछे बैठे हुए हैं एंड हमारे कैमरामैन और हमारा क्रू, ये है हमारा क्रू, हमारे क्रू मेंबर जो स्टेडी बाइक चलाते हैं। हम होंडा डिओ पे शूट करें। होंडा प्लीज़ बाइक स्पॉन्सर कर दीजिए हमारे लिए। बट एनीवेज दिस इज हाउ वी शूट ऑन द बैक ऑफ स्कूटर। So guys, that was all from the Royal Enfield Ceramic project. I'm going to see you soon in another video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see Nikhilesh and his bike soon enough. So I'll see you soon.